Let's say you're a D2C brand in India doing 5 lakh to 50 lakh GMV a month. Most likely you've had the brilliant idea of speaking to your customers, growing from them, learning from them, since they are the highest intent customers that are already on your website. But still, in 2026, when you go out to look for these brands, you'll see that they're not actually doing that. They are tied between three broken options. First one, which is enterprise CRMs, which are mainly built around forms and emails. They're meant to resolve issues, not sell. They also use WhatsApp CRMs, WhatsApp platforms. They move customers away from the store to initiate a conversation, and they are dependent on phone number capture before the conversation even starts. So it doesn't scale well. You also have AI storefront bots. They can answer some discovery questions, but they usually don't connect deeply with your order support or growth funnels or actions for that matter. So you can guess what most brands end up doing. They end up paying for a mix of tools and dashboards and still missing the growth and intelligence piece from their storefront customers that they wanted to build out. So why let WhatsApp or emails or broken fragmented dashboards be your source of conversation in 2026? All right, let's say I'm a customer on this website called Nudge House and I am looking for modern essentials. I write something for my office. I create a ticket, look something for my office. I get recommended something without getting my phone number captured, so we deliver 100% more conversations. I find this product intriguing, so I go here. I'm checking this product out, figuring out what it's about, and the AI initiates the conversation. I click on it, it's telling me how to use an infuser bottle. In the meantime, the user can access this conversation and see it happen in real time. Now let's say while this conversation is happening, the customer just closes this and goes to another page and asks something. What's this product got a charger with it? Some question which is particular to this product, but I've not provided the context. So the AI knows which product the customer is at and answers it. Let's say you take the handover. You want this conversation to be happening on your terms. So you write something like, the base is removable. You can wash the mug freely as well. Say the shopper does not respond to this. She's just on a phone call, not going to respond to this for the next 5 minutes. So idle time is going to trigger and this is going to get handed back to AI. Now at this point of time, the conversation can go anywhere. So we're going to throw it a curveball and say, I want to buy in bulk, manager say baat karao, which is I want to talk to the manager and buy in bulk. It's going to ask me to log in before creating an escalation ticket. Hold on. We enter the OTP and this ticket is going to turn into an escalation. Now let's say this is my session and I have just added this to cart. Now this is going to get closed and become an escalated ticket. And this is my conversation right here. While this conversation was happening, I was getting tagged by the system and my interests related to infuser bottle and the heatable mug was getting tagged to my customer object. What that essentially means is this session, all of the pages that I've visited and all of the products that I've talked about are going to get me to a segment. And it's not just these interests that I'm going to get tagged by. We're also going to predictively tag customers based on whether they're a churn risk or a likely prospect or a likely repeat purchaser, and some other catalog level analyses based on trained logistic regression models. We're going to run them weekly and fortnightly, learning from past iterations, and we're going to develop a very rich context of what kind of customer this AI is talking to, and of course what kind of brand it's talking as a representative of. You can also expect a call manager here. essentially an entire stack of all kinds of conversations that a D2C brand can have with their customers. Our commitment is to provide you a central intelligence layer. So we also integrate with your outbound campaign services and also get even more metric data, which helps us in understanding your customers at scale and personalize experiences for them. So this storefront AI concierge can also take care of your order needs pretty comprehensively. So if you click on manage orders here and the customer then selects manage order, they can select any of these orders. These are just samples, but these will demonstrate how changes can be made based on fulfillments or shipment. You can go back, find multiple details, and handle these conversations just like you handle shop conversations. It is possible to build a text to speech and speech to text layer on top of this if customer interest pops up, which helps us in understanding your customers at scale and personalize experiences for them. I will mention some of our customers and my email ID in case you run a D2C brand and are interested in checking this out. Thanks for your time.